Now paper number 30. Paper number 30, RRB, Clerk Prelim. Now question number 1 onwards. First or the second priority? Definitely first priority. How many questions were given? Now 3 questions, coding and decoding, first priority. And what is the code for place? Now what is the code to the word place? Now place, where is this word place? Place is here. As place is here, then human collect new things, new friends meeting. Now here, new is common and new is common. One word will be common, and next one, friends and meeting. Now friends is common, and finally meeting and place are the 2 words that are left over. As 2 codes are left over, obviously any one between these. Hence choice 5 is the answer. Then question number 2. Now in question number 2, new meeting. Now what is the code for new? What is the code for new here? Which is common. Now new is common in the first, second and third. Now GF is common. New is GF, and the meeting will be JS. Meeting is JS. Then what is the code for normal place? Now meeting is what? And meeting definitely JS. Then next one, friends and place. Friends is the code that is common, and what is common? LR. Then new is what? New is MR. Now the code for new is what? MR. And place, now place MM. New GF and JS, and place is what? MR. Now place MR, that is finalized. Now we need to find out the word to the word normal. And where is this word normal here? Or normal akkade as normal is not there, hence what can be the code? Can be the code means a possible code. MR must be there. RH. Can RH be the code for normal? No. Why? Because RH is the code for one of the words. Then MRKL. Can KL be the code for this one? Yes. KL, as KL is not given as the code of any one of these words. It can be the code. And here the question is can be. What can be the code for? We are not 100% sure about this. Then question number 3, and which is coded as TV. Now where is this word TV here? Code. TV is written here, and it is not present anywhere else. Then among the remaining, now the word new is common, and what is common? GF is common, and next VK and LS. Now VK is common, and at the same time, as VK is common here, what is the word that is common? Now VK is common for collect. Now books are human friends, and next one, collect is the word that is common. Then what is left over here? And human and new. And collect or new are the 2 words that are left over. Then what is the code for TV? My TV ki code only collect. And collect that is given in choice 4. Now collect or new code also. Now new is finalized, right? The code for new is already finalized, and the code for TV is what? Collect, but not new. Choice 4. Then coming to question number 4 to 7. Now 4 to 7 happen. Now first are the second priority. Now 7 people first priority seated in a row facing none. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then E sits out to the right of A. E is seated out to the right of A. E is here. And none of them sit at the extreme ends. How many possibilities we have? Now A is here, 1, 2, E is here, first possibility. Then in the second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here again, where is A? A is here, E is here, this is the next possibility. And only one person between E and G. Now in between E and G, there must be exactly one person. Now E and G, there is exactly one. Now 2 people between B and F. Now 2 in between B and F or B and F. And now 2 people between B and F can be here, the other person must be here. Or BF is here, the other person B and F can be here. Then next one, F sits to the right of B. F is to the right of B means F is here, then B must be here. F and B. Then G and B do not sit at the extreme ends. G and B, they are not at the extreme end. And G cannot be here, G must be here. If G is here, then only one person between E and G, and 2 people between B and F. And next one, B and F only 2 people, and C is an immediate neighbor of A. Now C and A are adjacent to each other. Is it possible? No. And C must be here. If C is here, then what is the other thing left over here? 2 people between B and F. And at the same time, F is to the right of B. F is to the right of B, 2 people between B and F. Then who is the person left over here? D. D is here. Now this is from question numbers 4 to 7. The next one, 8 onwards. Now in this question number 8, to 10. Now sequence first or the second priority. And first priority, that is sequence. Now which of the following element is? Element is 10th to the right of 18th from the right. Now 10th right and 18th right. Right and right means same direction, you need to subtract. 18 minus 8 is what? 10. 10th from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exclamation choice 3. Then 9th one, odd one out. Now in this odd one out, E star, now E has 3. E and has plus 2. And next one, 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Now plus 2, minus 3. 5 and Q, plus 2. Q and dollar, 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Here again the reference is to end. W and N. W and N, it is plus 2. End and O, it is minus 1. What is the odd one we have? Choice 3. Then 10th one, how many such symbols are there? Each of which is immediately preceded by a number and followed by a letter. Sequence must be number, symbol and a letter. Number, symbol and a letter. Number, symbol but not letter. Number, symbol and a letter. How many are there of such type? Only one, choice 1. Then 11 onwards. Now 7 people are there and they were seated in 7 different floors of a 7-story building. Now 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now 7 floors, 7 persons are staying on these 7 different floors. 7 persons lives on 7 different floors of a building. Then coming to condition number 1, and B lives on an even number floor. Now B lives on an even number floor, either can be 2, 4 or 6. How many possibilities? 3 possibilities. And there are 3 people between B and F. F is here. Now here again 3 people between B and F. Is it possible? No. Hence in this case B and F. F is here. Then only one person between G and E. G and E must be in the alternate places. A lives immediately below G. And A is immediately below G, G and E. And only 2 people between A and C. Now in between A and C, how many? 2 people. At least 2 people between B and C. And minimum 2 persons between B and C. Minimum 2 persons can we have C at this place? No, why it is no. If C is here, then between A and C there must be exactly 2 people, not possible. And C cannot be here. And can we have C at this place? Yes. Minimum 2 people. And between C and A, how many? 2 people. A is here. Then A is immediately below G. G is here. And G and E, there is exactly 1 person. E is here. Then who is the person left over? D is the person left. Clear? Must have been the arrangement. Now this is from question numbers 11 to 14. Then next one. And 15 onwards. Now in this question number 15. First or the second? First or the second? First priority, 15 to 17. Now in this question number 15. Only a few mobiles or phones. Only a few mobiles or phones, but not all. Only some mobiles or phones, but not all. Now these are the mobiles that are phones, but not all. Then, and only a few phones are laptops. Now these are the phones that are laptops, but not all. Then all laptops are computers. This entire laptop is a part of what? Computer. No computer is a keyboard. No intersection between computer and a keyboard. Then according to this one, all keyboards can be mobiles. This entire keyboard can be a part of mobile. Possible or not possible? Is it possible or not? Yes. The next one. Some computers are phones. Computer and a phone, intersection between these two. Hence both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2, choice 1, question number 15. Then 16th one. Now in the 16, only A service. Then tell me how to represent this only A service? Malarial. Now this B belongs to only for yes. That means this B does not belong to anything else, only SRBs. Then at the same time, and almost SRCs, almost means some SRCs. Then no C is D, no intersection between C and D. Then all D's can be S. Now the center D can be A. Is it possible? All D's can be S. Now this B cannot be intersected with anything. Is it possible? How is that possible? No, D can be like this. Isn't it? Possible or not possible? I am just asking you possible and you need to say yes or no. And why are you thinking that much? Some C's are B's. C is or B is true or false? Some C's or B's is a possibility, true or false? Then also it is false. Because B cannot be intersected with anything else. Then what is your answer? Only one. Only one, choice one, question number 16. Then 17th one. Only a few cups are bottles. Now these are the cups that are bottle, cup and a bottle. And no bottle is a glass. No intersection between bottle and a glass. All mugs are bottles. Now the center mug is a bottle. All cups or glasses is a possibility. All cups or glasses. Now the center cup must be part of glass. Is it possible? No, because and glass and bottle cannot be intersected. Hence possible or not possible? Not possible. All cups can be bottles. Now the center cup can be a part of bottle or not? Yes. Then what is your answer? Only two. Choice one, question number 17. Only two. Only all cups can be bottles. Now cups and bottles aవచ్చు కదా. Only and few cups are bottles ఇచ్చారు. Yes, only few cups are bottles. This entire cup cannot be a part of bottle. Clear? Hence what is your answer? Neither one nor two, choice. Then 18th one. Now in this question number 18. Now 8 people, circular table, facing the center. First or the second priority. And definitely first priority 8 people. 8 people are there, now seated around a circular table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, condition number 1. Now here the one who sits immediate left of F is facing the one who sits second to the left of B. Clear? Now here this is a combination of two statements at a stretch. Earlier we haven't come across these type of statements. Now earlier, the one who sits immediate left of S is facing someone will be given. Here the one who is facing immediate left of him. Can you take F at this place or not? You can take F at any place. Clear? F. F is here, immediate left hand side of F. The one who sits to the immediate left of F is facing. This person is facing this person. And this person is seated second to the left of B. Then where should this be? B is. Clear? Then clear and B must be here. Clear? The one who is to the immediate left of B is facing this person. This person is seated second to the left of B. Clear? That means it is as equal as two persons are in between F and B. Or B is seated third to the left of F. Isn't it? Then next one. As many people between F and B, then G and B. Now F and B, how many people are there? 2 people. And G and B, how many people? 2 people. Hence G must be here. As many people between F and B, G and B. T and F are immediate neighbors. Now T and F are immediate neighbors, how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. T and F are. V sits out to the right of T. Can we have T at this place? Now if T is here, V sits out to the right of T. V and G must be in the same place, not possible. And T cannot be to the left hand side. Hence T must be right hand side. T is here, V sits out to the right of G, V is. V sits out to the right of T. And S sits to the immediate to neither F nor V. S is not adjacent to F and V, hence S must be here. Then Y sits to the immediate left of V, Y is. L sits, L is one of the person among them, L is here. Now this is from question numbers 18 to 22. 18 to 21. Then coming to 22. Now 22, how many such pairs? What is the number we have? 9754 51264. 975124. How many such pairs are there? 9, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 2 there is a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4 there is a pair. Now 2 and 4 there is a pair. Clear? Then as of now, 2. 3 pairs in the forward. Backward 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's it. And how many pairs? Only 3, choice to 22. Then 23. Now 23, 7 persons are of a family are living together. Now first or the second, first priority and blood relations. Then here in this one, there are some 7 persons, they are living in a house. And there are 3 generations and 3 couples in this family. Now 3 generations and 3 couples in this family. C is the father-in-law of D. D is here. Now D is spouse. Now father is C. C is the father-in-law of D. H has only 2 children. H is having how many? 2 children. H is having 2 children. K is the brother of Z. Now K is the brother of Z. Whether K and Z are the children of H or not, that is not known. F is the father of H. Now who is the father of H? F is the father of H. H is a married woman. Now H is a married woman. H is married to someone else. Then C is not the child of E. E is the grandmother of Z. And E is the grandmother of whom? G. And there are 4 females in this family. Now among these 7, how many females are there? And 4 females. Then this H is having 2 children. Can you take H at this place or not? Yes, tell me, can you take this one or not? No. Why it is no? Now if H is here, H's father must be F. As of now, this person's father is C. Hence, this H cannot have these 2 fathers, isn't it? And C is here. As C is here, then where can we have this H? And this H is married to whom? Now C is here and F. Can you take F at this place? Can you take F like this? Can you take F like this or not? Possible or not possible? Possible. I'm not ensuring this one, just asking you whether it's possible or not. If F is here, F is having how many children? 2 children. Now one is D, the other one person can be H like this. Is it possible? Now if H is here, H is married to someone else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons were done. Then K is the brother of Z. K is the brother of Z. Is it possible here? Not possible. And this case is also not possible. Then as K is the brother of Z, can you take K and Z like this or not? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this person is married to 5 persons. Then now 7 persons, there are 3 generations and 3 couples in this family. As there are 3 couples in the family, how many persons got married? 6 persons got married. And only 1 person is unmarried. Isn't it? Then there are 3 couples. That means this person should have a couple. Isn't it? And H is having how many children? 2 children. And H is having 2 children. Then 1, 2. Then between these 2, 1 person should get married. And C is the father-in-law of D. As C is the father-in-law of D, and where can I have this C? C is the father-in-law of whom? Father-in-law. Clear? As C is the father-in-law of D, D must be married to either this one or this one. C is the father-in-law of D, and H has only 2 children, and K is the brother of Z. F is the father of whom? Father of H. H is a married woman, and C is not the child of E. As C cannot be the child of E. The next one, E is the grandmother of Z. E is the grandmother of Z, E will be here. Clear? If E is here, there are 4 females in the family. As there are 4 females in the family, obviously the G must be a female. As G is a female here, then K is the brother of Z, then where should the other couple be? Inko couple ekkada undali. Now, K and D gurinchi maatladam kadama. And 3 couples. Now this C is the father-in-law of whom? Father-in-law of D. And father-in-law of D, then D is a male or a female? D male or a female? Female. Then why it is a female? Why can't be male? Then now you need to have 4 females. 4 females means this person must be a female. Now that means D and K are married to each other. Then D and K are married, G is another female. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons. Then K is the brother of Z, F is the father of H, and H is a married woman, and C is not the child of E, and E is the grandmother of G, and there are 4 females in the family. Now this is from 23 to 25. Then who is the sister-in-law of G? D, that is choice 2. Then 24, and if M is the husband of G, M is the husband of G, how is M related to H? H, daughter's husband. Daughter's husband, son-in-law of 5. 25, how is K related to F? F's daughter's son, grandson, choice 4. 25. Then 26 to 29. Now in this 26 to 29, there are some 6 students attending a class either on 11th or 22nd of September, October and November. Then, now here we have 6 persons, 3 different months and 2 dates. First or the second, first Friday, September 11th and September 22nd. And next one, October 11th and October 22nd. November 11th, November 22nd. And that is now 6 persons on this. Now 6 students attending a class on either of these dates. Then only 1 student attending on each date, and only 2 are attending the class in the given month. Then no other student. Now till 1 we have only the descriptive part. Then coming back to this A. My age upon what is the information regarding this A? Now in this A attend the class in the month having only 31 days. Only 31 days means how many possibilities? A can be either 11th of October or 22nd of October. And only 2 students between A and D. Now here in this case D is here. Now in this case D must be here. And 2 in between A and D. C attends the class immediately before E, but not in the same month. C and E immediate, but not in the same month. But not in the same month. Here C and E must be like this. Here it is not possible because both these two are in the same month. Now here C and E is not possible. They are in 2 different months, C and E. Then, and no one attends the class after B. After B there is no one, this case is ruled out. Hence B is here. B is here, A, B, C, D, E, F must be. Now this is from question numbers 26 to 30. 26 to 29. Then 30 onwards. Now directions. Now in this direction, what is the information given here? Directions. Now Arun started walking 4 kilometers towards south. Arun, now this is the starting point of Arun, and towards south 4 kilometers to reach point K. From K he walks 6 meters east. From here 6 meters east to reach point L. Then he takes right turns and 3 kilometers to reach point F. And then he takes again right turn and walks 3 kilometers to reach point H. And from H he walks 7 kilometers north to reach M. 7 kilometers north means 3 plus 4. Now this is 3, this is 4. And 7 kilometers north and to reach point M. Then he takes right turn and walks 6 meters. Now from here 6. 6 means this is 3 and then another 3. And 6 meters and reaches to point O. Then he takes final right turn and walks 4 kilometers to reach T. From here and T 4 kilometers. This is the final arrangement we have. Then according to this one. Now out of this 6. Now this is 3 and this is another 3. Then what is the distance between L and T? Now here the distance is 3 meters. And which direction is T with respect to starting point of Arun? And T with respect to starting point of Arun, in order to reach to Arun's final point, T, that is south and east to southeast. Southeast choice 4, question number 30. The next one 31. And what is the distance between O and Arun's starting point? Now between O and Arun's starting point, what is the distance here? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. 9 that is given in choice 4, question number 31. Then 32. And distance between H and O. And O is here, H is here. Now we need to find out this distance. Now horizontal, 3 plus 3, 6. Vertical, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 square, 49. And next one, 6 square, 36. And root over 85. 85 choice 2, question number 32. Then 33 to 35. First or the second priority. And first priority, question number 33 to 35. Now the relation between D and H. Now D and H opposite. Opposite? Opposite? No relation. K and L. Now K and L, which symbol is common? Less than. K lesser than and definitely 2. Then what is your answer? Only 2, 33. 33 only 2. Then next one 34, S and T. S is here, T is here. From S to T, which symbol is common? Less than. S lesser than T, definitely 2. Then next one N and Q. Q is here, N is here. Opposite symbol, no relation. Then only one choice, 1, 34. 35, K is here, O is here. Which element is common? P is common. P lesser than or equals to K. And P greater than or equals to O means O lesser than or equals to P. O lesser than or equals to K, K greater than or equals to O. J and O. J is here, O is here. Then J to P, P to O. J greater than O is 2, lesser than O is false. Then what is your answer? Only one choice, 1, 35. Then next one 36 onwards. Now in this 36, how many such pairs of letters? LA, CH, RY, MO, ESC. Now in this, how many such pairs of letters are there? Starting with L. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. R, S, T, U, V, W. Why no letter more than this one? Forward, not even a single pair. Then reverse. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. O, P, Q, R. O and R, there is a pair. S, T, U, V. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Y, R, S, T. That's it. And how many pairs we have? Only one. One choice, 1, 36. Then 37 to 40. Now here in this one, there are some 10 people. Now 10 people seated in 2 different rows. 5 in one row, 5 in the other row. Now who are the persons in one row? Row 1, A, B, C, D and E, and they are facing towards south. And in row 2, P, Q, R, S and T, they are facing towards north. R sits second to the right of the one who faces D. Now D is here. D is opposite, second to the right. Who is that one? R. R sits second to the right of the one. A is an immediate neighbor of D, either left or right. Then P sits third to the left of the one who faces B. B is here. B is opposite, and P sits third to the left of the one who faces B. Then, now with the help of this one, how many possibilities do we have? Now if we have B at this place, B is opposite third to the left or right. P sits third to the left of the one who faces B. P is seated third to the left of the one who faces B. B is opposite, 1, 2, 3, P can be here. One possibility. What is the second possibility? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here again 1, 2, 3, 4. Initially I have written B here, P here, you are not saying anything. Then I change, I am writing B here, P here, then also you are not saying anything. Then next one, B is here, B is opposite, P must be here. Then R sits and B does not faces R. Now B and R are not opposite to each other. Now here again, B and R are not opposite to each other. The next one, only one person between T and the one faces A. S sits an immediate neighbor of the one who faces C. C does not immediate to B, and S does not sit at ends of the line. S is not at ends of the line. Clear? Then coming back to this one, now let us start with it R. R, can we have R at this place? If R is here, then where should this be? D must be here. D is opposite, R sits second to the right of the one who faces D. Isn't it? R is seated second to the right of the one who faces D, and at the center. What is the other possibility we have? And R. And A is an immediate neighbor of D. A is an immediate neighbor of D, A will be here. Are you getting this one or not? If A is an immediate neighbor, P sits third to the left of the one who faces B. And P sits third to the left of the one who faces B. And next, B does not face R. Only one person between T and the one who faces A. The one who faces A and T, there must be exactly one person. And S is an immediate neighbor of the one who faces C. Now S is an immediate neighbor of the one who faces C. And can you have C at this place? No. If C is here, S and T must be in the same place, not possible. Then C is here. And S sits an immediate neighbor of the one who faces C. Then C does not face B. And S does not sit at ends of the line. Then who is the person left over? E. Now here in this one, Q. This is the final arrangement. Then, now in this, if you observe here, definite position is not given. That is taken, it has taken some time. Now 37 to 40. Done with this 37 to 40. Now this is about paper number 13, RRB clerk prelim. Then, any questions left over in this? Number series question numbers 71. Now 71 to 75. Now in this 71 to 75, 136, 110 and so on. Then you need to find out the next number. Then numbers are increasing and decreasing. Then you need to go for alternate. Now 123 and 110 difference, minus 13. And 136 and 123 difference, minus 13. Then 97 and 110 plus 13. Plus 13, 123. 123 choice. Then 72. Now in this 72, 18, 37. Then 18 and 37 it is, numbers are increasing at a very faster rate. Because it has been increased to 2200 from 18. Hence it comes under product or combination. And product is not possible between 18 and 37. Hence combination. Am I follow here? Then 37 into how much? Into 3. 90 and 1 plus how much? Plus 1. Into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 1, into 4 plus 1. And 112 into 4, 448 plus 1, 449 choice 4. 449 choice 4. Then 73. Now in this 73, tell me it comes under difference, product or combination? Difference. Now 1, 3, 1, 8 and 9, 18 and difference. How much? This is 11. 11 plus 3, 18. 3, 18 plus 11, how much? 18 plus 11, 29. Must help now? Now what is the difference between these two? 329. Clear? Then what is the next difference we have? Now 213 and 383. 8 minus 3 is 5. 3 minus 1 is, 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. And 3 minus 2. Here the difference is how much? 125. Must help in the 125? Then tell me what are the differences we have? The difference 125 and 338 and 505. And what is the difference? 338 means now 62, 400 plus 105. Then what is the difference we have? 167, 125, 167. Then you need to find the difference. What is the difference between 125 and 167? Difference between these two? 40, 42. Again, if you take 42, what is the difference you have? 7 plus 2, 9. And 6 plus 4 is 10. And 1 plus 1, 2. Then 209. Now if you add 209 to this, are you getting the answer here? 5 plus 9 is how much? 14, 714. Is it there? Then, follow here లేదా మా ఏం ఫాలో అయ్యారు? నేనేం చెప్పలేదు. ఏం ఫాలో అయ్యారు అమ్మా చెప్పండి. Now 213. Now 213 is nearer to which number? 6 cube minus 3. అమ్మ రాసుకోవచ్చా లేదా? What is 6 cube? 216. 338. 7 cube minus 5. 7 cube is so much? 343. Now here this is 8 cube. 512. 512 minus 7. What is the logic? 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. Then 3, 5, 7, 9. 9 cube minus 9, 720 choice. Now this is the form n cube minus odd number. Clear? 3, 5, 7 and so on. 9 cube minus 9. Next to this will be 10 cube minus 11 and 11 cube minus 12. 11 cube minus 13. Then n cube minus n. Then 74. Amma 74 చెప్పారు? Not 39 and 51 difference. 12. 29, 10. Here 8. Here it is 6. 4. 11 choice 3, 70. Then 75. Now number starting with 2.4 ending with 320. Now 64 and 320. How many times it has been multiplied? Into 5. 64 into 5. 320. Plus 0.5. Then 2.5. This is into 5. 2.5 into 1, 2.5, plus how much? Plus 0.1, 2.5. Then 2.5 into 2, 5, 2.5, 5, 5 plus 0.2, into 1 into 2 into 3, plus 0.3, 5.2 into 3, 15.6, plus 0.3, 15.9, choice 4. Now this is about the first paper, RRB Clerk Prelim, paper number 30.